Congratulations. You're the 2019 Winston Industries Equipment Grant winner.
Congratulations.
This is yours.
Oh, thank you.
Congratulations. You surprised?
Yes. I'm just beyond surprised.
We've got equipment to pick out.
Yes. Oh, yay. That's exciting. Thank you. Thank you.
Absolutely. Thank you for applying.
Are you excited? I know, talking to you this week, I'm like, don't say anything, don't ruin a surprise.
It's been hard to keep this secret for a couple of weeks.
Oh, wow.
We're really excited for you.
Oh, this is unbelievable. Wow.
I have to tell you, they did the video submissions this year, and SNA told me that your video was absolutely incredible. It actually was.
That's right there. Suzanne.
Yeah, there you go. Thank you.
It's actually inspiring us to try to get more equipment grants going. So they really recognize the need that you guys had, and so hopefully you've got a new ball rolling, all on your own.
This is exciting.
Yep.